वास्को खारीवाड्यार रावपी कामगाराचो ताचे बरोबर काम करपी कामगारान खून केलो. वास्को पुलिशेन दिल्ले म्हायती प्रमाण नुस्तें मारपी व्हड्याचेर काम करपी सुंदरगड ओडिसाचो अकूब लगुनान ताचे बरोबर काम करपी मिथुना बरोबर केस्तांव जाले. केस्तांवाच्या रागान अकूब लगुनान लाकडी दांड्यान मिथुनाचो खून केलो. दर्यान दुसरे नुस्त्याच्या व्हड्या वयल्यान कामगारान वास्को पुलिशेक कळयलें. उपरांत पुलीस निरीक्षक नॉलास्को रापोज आनी ताच्या पंगडान पंचनामो करून अकूब लगुनाक पुलिशेच्या ताब्यात घेतलो.
In a murder case registered at Vasco police station, which took place last night at between 22:00 hours to 22:30 hours, wherein one laborer, namely Yakub Lugan, age 35 years, native of Sundargarh, Orissa, assaulted another laborer, namely Mithun alias Samir, age 30 to 40 years, full details not known, with a wooden danda, whereby he succumbed to the injuries on the spot. He was declared brought dead at Cottage Hospital, Chikali. Subsequently, the accused fled away from the scene of offence. Finally, the accused person was located at Vasco and he was brought at the police station and presently placed under arrest. We will be producing before the magistrate to seek his police custody. Detailed scene of offence Panchama has been drawn in this case. Further investigation is in progress.
गोंया भायले कामगार आनी भाड्याक रावपी लोकांची पुलिशेक म्हायती दिवप गोंयकारांक सक्तीचें आसा. दक्षिण गोंय उपजिल्लो अधिकाऱ्याचो आदेश मानूंक ना म्हूण नुस्तें मारपी बोटीच्या धन्या विरोधानय पुलिशेन कागाळ बरयल्या, अशी म्हायती पुलीस निरीक्षकान दिली.
We also found that the trawler owner had not submitted forms regarding employee verification to the local police station as required due to the notification issued by the district magistrate South Goa Margao. So we will be filing a report against the said trawler owner under section 180 IPC before the executive magistrate Vasco.